Hello, my name is Marlene Rocio Ruales. This is a Tax 5 pronunciation practice. Step 1. Reading. Teacher practice. The practice is last 1 week. The teachers want small or classes and bother money. Let's say that there must be more staff in schools. Schools say that there is not money. However, teachers do not believe that. They say that the school spends money on different things. Step 2. Minimal payers. Cat, bat, white, wise, right, rat, kite, night, take, stick, cut, good, pin, bin, till, peel, dish, fish, they, pay, dick, pick, deal, peel, dish, fish, deal, peel, duck, back, date, bait, tall, call, tool, cool, tape, cape, tooth, cut, tongue, gum, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, ghoul, tag, gag, table, gable, tin, fin, tail, fail, ton, thumb, tick, big. Special questions. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest. What's your name? Where do you live? What did she say? What did she say? Where have you been? General questions. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tax questions. You don't know them, do you? They haven't funded, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Commands. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Asking for help. Asking for help. breakfast. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerated. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Response. I can. She is. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't. It's all for you. Thank you very much.